Finally, I would like to touch on the exponent notation issue. Here I can write the E character in lowercase or uppercase. When I compile the program, it showed an output as 3E1 respectively. Please do not confuse with this the Euler constant. In mathematics, the logarithm is not the constant e which starts with 2.7, which we do operations on the base of e. The letter e here is used as a decimal exponential notation, while we can express it as 3 times 10 to the power of 1. Sometimes very long and large numbers can occur in our transactions. To express this briefly, we use exponent notation in this way. We can also capitalize the output by using the capital letter E. Look, this time it shows the letter E capitalized. As a result, we can show all numbers shorter with the base 10 exponent notation.